Alright, ladies and gentlemen, another video for you, another front end video for you. So we're back on the F-250, same one that's been on the channel all this time, and we're going to change out the track bar ball joint. I don't know if there's many videos on this. It's fairly simple. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I've been told that I talk a little bit too much at the start of my videos, which, if that's the case, I'm just trying to give you all the information, but I'll try to tone it down a little bit. Cool? Alright, let's look at what we're doing. So, that bad boy right there. What it's doing is whenever you turn the wheel, because the suspension was wrong for so long, whenever you turn the wheel, I can see the inner part of the ball joint hopping up and down inside the outer part of it. So that's not good. That means we've worn it too far, and it is a greasable ball joint, but I'm just going to change it. I've got a brand new one. I'll show you guys here in a little bit the one I'm going to use. We'll get it out, get it changed, and we'll go for a test drive. So it's fairly simple. There's a snap ring. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a snap ring right here that we're going to take off. We're going to take that cotter key out, that nut off, drop the track bar, just drop it down out of the way, and then we're going to press it out by pressing up. We'll press the new one in, and it's reverse removal. So let me go get the new ball joint. I think it's sitting in the garage there, and I'll show you guys the process. I'll put a link to it in the video description. This TTX series, I've had really good luck with these. They're built really well, and they come with all kinds of good stuff in here. Really nice castellated nut, greaser, of course they're greasable. They're packaged well. Not sponsored, but whenever I see a company doing something right, I usually point it out. So it has what they call an installation tool. I don't know why that's in there, because it's not going to do anything, but this is the first time I've installed one of these type. Oh, I guess I'm giving you guys a way close-up. I was like, hey, look, guys. This is the first time I've used this brand for in here, so we'll have a look, see what we can do, see what we can tear up. But first thing we got to do is get the old one out, which shouldn't be that big a deal, so I'll put that back in there to protect it. Jam that fancy little thing back on there. Just wanted to show you guys what came in the box, because I'm pretty impressed with these guys. Let me get this taken apart. Well, at the very least, I'll get it started and show you guys the process. What you are going to need for this is come over here to the Wall O Tools. Try to figure out what I did with my ball joint press. Yeah, it's around there somewhere. Anyway, you're going to need a ball joint press. You can rent them from O'Reilly's, AutoZone. You can go to Harbor Freight and buy a set. That's what I did. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's out. But let me tell you what I had to do. If you just go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone or your favorite auto parts store and get whatever ball joint kit they're going to give you, it's not going to work. So what you got to do, and this is going to save you a ton of time, because I just spent 2 hours trying to figure out how I was going to do this. Cut the threads off of it. You got to make it a little bit shorter so that you can fit the tool over it to press it out. Once you do that, hold on. So the way I had mine set up was, look at all this crap underneath here. I had it sitting just like that. So the cup on top, like so, And then I used this, now that I cut this off and made it flat, I used the piston, or this part, to press up on it, and it came right out. So now we'll press the new one in, and that should be a lot easier. But it's out. Now I need to take the hole, clean it up real good. I'm gonna clean all around it, make sure that bevel's nice and clean, because that'll assist in getting the ball joint back in there. And then it's reverse removal. So I'll press it in real quick, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like pressed in and give you any tips that I have. All right, ladies and germs, we won. So it's in. Nice and pressed down in there, looking fine. Woo, doggies. So there's a seal install or a boot installer tool that I'm going to use here in a second. I'll show you that. But so here's the problem, and you're going to run into this too. My truck's lifted 2 inches, and the frame still will not clear the jack screw on this press. So what I had to do was I got me a 4x4, and I'm going to quickly take this back down as soon as I get done showing y'all. I got me a 4x4, and I just lifted the body up off the off of there to gain the clearance to get the press in there. So you guys are probably gonna have to do the same, otherwise the press will hit right here where this cross member's riveted on. It hits right there. You got probably that much trying to stick up, and if you try to pull it out, you're gonna put it in sideways, and you damn sure don't want to do that. So I'll get the greaser installed in there, get the boot on, but I'll show you the setup that I used. So I had this turned with this side up, and it fit on top of the ball joint just perfect. And then of course the hat side, the top hat side, with that on there in here like this, so it looked like this. And I'll leave that there for a second so y'all can see. Actually, I should probably, yeah, there we go. So this part right here is what was pressing down on the ball joint, and it pressed right in. It took me about 30 seconds to get it in there, but she's in there now. So I'll install the boot, I'll install the greaser, I'll put the track bar back on, get it off jacks, and we'll take her for a test drive. Well, I got it finished. I took it for a test drive. I didn't realize that it was so late in the day and I needed to go pick my daughter up. So I'll show you what it looks like all put back together. I actually drove it to go get her, so she's good to go. In there, no problem at all. It feels good, nice and tight. So I really like these ball joints. It went in real easy, no issue at all. I think I showed you guys in another clip how to put it in. So that's it, man. If you guys wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I'm getting awfully close to that 1,000 subscriber mark, where I can start making 47 cents a year for more equipment to make better videos. So, and by the way, I shot this in 4K, so let's hope that it processes and I can actually upload this to YouTube. But thanks for watching, guys. If it helped you, let me know. You know, give me the old thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one.